How to copy Discord profile link on mobile. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. Open up your Discord application. Go onto your profile, which is on your bottom right. Now go to Advanced option. This should be under your app settings. Enable this developer mode. Now let's go to any of the server. Once you have done that, tap onto your profile. Then go to this 3-bar icon in the middle section. Here you will see Copy User ID. Tap that option. Now we have successfully copied the user ID. Let's paste it anywhere. Type in discordapp.com/user/ and paste your user ID. Now when you want to go to the same link, enter this all, copy this first and enter this all to your Chrome browser, and it will take you to Discord server. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.